There's no way we literally got tricked. Lengua? He's cutting up the tongue.
¿Cuántos años empezaste a trabajar aquí?
16. ¿Qué es? Ese es el suadero. Ah, sí. ¿Y cabeza?
Todo esto es suadero.
Ah, suadero. Lengua, cabeza. Cabeza. Ah, sí. Gracias, muchas gracias. Wow. Right here we got the lengua, which is the tongue, sausage, head of a cow. And right here is the suadero. Should we try the tongue? I don't know. Alright, suadero, let's go. Super soft. Imagine the chicken thigh, but beef. Alright, let's garnish our second taco. I've come across tongue before, but this is the first time I'm ever putting it in my mouth. I tried the eyes last time, but I did not like that. Okay, let's try this. It's like I'm making out with a cow. It's very tender, very hard to chew. It's an experience. It's not that bad. It's not as bad as the ojos for sure. Oh my god. Ojos. I think this is the cabeza, so the head of a cow. Kind of looks like a suadero, if I'm being honest. The texture of it. We'll see. This is really good. I actually prefer this over the suadero. Don't try it. If you get like a beef taco, this is probably what you imagine it to be. It has more flavor, more texture, more density, more flavor. Let's go with the green salsa for a little bit of a contrast. I actually really like the cabeza. I actually really love that. It's got all the colors of Mexico actually. Viva Mexico. It's got the saltiness in there, the savoriness, the softness, tenderness. Like, let me just say, I saw the ojos on the menu, but I knew I couldn't get that because last time I got that, I had some troubles. It's like a place where like everyone can like gather and just like talk about their life today and like how their life went over delicious food, delicious tacos. The party's just starting now, isn't it? Oh, I got the suadero at the head again because I don't know if it was the suadero or the cabeza, but we're gonna find out right now. Look at my plate right here. It's literally destroyed. Look, even more people showed up. Cabeza, por favor. No ojos. I almost got tricked into trying eyes. that was almost really bad. Gracias. Cabeza? Suadero. I need to know which one I have because I had the cabeza last time, but I have a feeling that was a suadero. My plate's full of just destroyed lines. Let's go with the cabeza. This is the cabeza for sure. It's gooey, soft, jello-y. Tastes like a soft baby cow head. We're gonna add some garnish because I will not be able to get through this with just the baby head. Right to the head.
Head or no head?
No head. I mean, so earlier, I think I remember the names wrong. It was a suadero that I had. It was really good. There's like a lot of people now. Oh my gosh. He's pretty much like the hero of this area. Cabeza ojo.
Comiste ojo.
Cabeza más.
¿Comió ojo?
Te comiste ojo.
¿Yo? ¿Ahora?
Sí.
¿Ojos?
Sí. Tu taco.
Ojo?
You ate and you didn't even notice.
I had ojos.
Yeah, you already ate and you didn't even notice. Bon appetit.
Te comiste un taco de ojo.
So instead of the cabeza, it was ojos.
La cabeza lleva ojo.
Muchas gracias. ¿Me podrías dar cabeza?
Otro ojo.
No ojos. No ojos. There's no way we literally got tricked. He doesn't give me eyes.
It's a nervio óptico, ¿no?
Exactamente.
That's like where the eyelashes are supposed to be.
No. I ate that?
Yeah.
No. he just decides which part of the head he wants to cut up and just serve.
Yeah.
Cabeza?
Cabeza, no.
Verdad? The ojos? Okay, sí. Yeah, this is what it looked like before. I remember. You see the meat here? It's like red, right? And brown.
That's the signature.
There we go. Cabeza. This is the real deal right here. So there is what you're looking for. I think the one I had in the first time was probably the suadero. The whole gang is pulling up to Ruben's taqueria. Look. Everyone's pulling up to Ruben's. So you also pull up to Ruben's. I don't care if you're going out to party, going out to see some friends, come to Ruben's and then see what's up.